Hello, today we're going to see the AI vlog script generator. First of all, let's provide it a URL. Now it is going to load the image of the park, and now I'm going to give it some details of what all the things that are present in the park, and then I will ask it to generate a script. So basically, it is going to generate a script for writing a vlog based on the script. So here the script is ready. So as you can see, the the website has given you a complete script for the vlog. It has shown you how to divide your vlog into different parts. And the amazing thing is all of this is completely for free. You can also use a different model and to get a different result. Let's try this one. You have to wait a few seconds for the vlog script to be generated, and here it is. So you're welcome to use it for free at ai1.onl. Thank you.